and meet a lot of Jamaican people in one place, Farm Vibes is the place for you. So that's how much for one of them? Alright, you saw the kids play area. Good morning. So that is how the things are here. Farm. Strawberry. I forgot that I got eggs. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rochelle.
And my name is Xavier.
And Zay's in the back. We are out early this morning. It's 8:32 right now, and we're heading to Farm Vibes to get some coconut water. Farm Vibes is a Jamaican farmers market. So if you're on a restaurant, it's in Boynton Beach. So if you want to go to a place where you can get Jamaican stuff and meet a lot of Jamaican people in one place, Farm Vibes is the place for you. So that's where we're heading right now to get some coconut water and probably get a callaloo if them have it. And then we're going to head to our regular day. But we want to go Farm Vibes early because they usually turn on the sound, and we'll try to make it before them turn it on. Even though I feel like we're going them are gonna have it on because it get popular now. It go viral on TikTok. So a lot of people are going there now. When we used to go there, never viral yet, but it get viral. The last time we go there, the guy we give the coconut water and that tell us that the place go viral on the internet. So them have a lot of people now. So them always full. So hopefully we can get for video without the music, but if there's music I will still do a few little clips and let you guys see all the place.
And it's a place where you can go have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Them serve.
Them have a restaurant there where they serve stuff, and in the evening part them have jerk chicken and soup and stuff like, you know, stuff we normally get on a Saturday at Jamaica. You can get it.
There's a whole lot of vibes on a farm.
You're right, and the guy who won it is a Jamaican. So stay tuned for the vlog, guys.
Morning, Mr. Yes, man. Yes, man. Top of the morning, too, no?
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Why you put paint on the pump? That's so pretty. Oh, gosh, no.
Good morning. How much? How much for one of them?
If you want a $20 one, you can go through.
Yeah, what $20 one?
Look here.
Whoa.
So you decide what you want.
One of them whenever was already. Like I'm not going to stay long.
Yes, man. Jay.
I go over them here? Them biggie?
No, sir.
Them big man.
Yeah. Well, I see my wife, what she do now, she just put it in the oven and she do it too, you know? I do it supposed to do. Yes. Yeah, wait, we not say. Oh yeah, look. You know you don't need no color.
I can sell the callaloo.
I'm gonna set up for the morning. It's a good thing so we come early because the music don't start playing. So I'm gonna set up the bounce house. Alright, you saw the kids play area. And people are set up them stall for sale, and this is the restaurant right here. So and I wish I buy the breadfruit under there. So them have the roti, the callaloo. I'm not buying a callaloo. I turn back, buy one callaloo. Yeah, so then sell the food, and that is the farm. Them not, I never see them put like then just put out, so I don't see them put out no callaloo yet. So I never get for buying them. But I buy one roast breadfruit, $15 for the breadfruit, and it's expensive, yeah, fat. My dear. So long when I come over here, so now them have burger, so. These are scallion. There's some coconut water. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. How you do?
Yeah, fix up things.
That messy. Everybody have fix up things.
Where did the king come to?
Yeah, see him there.
Long time, no Come on.
I just buy one roast breadfruit. The breadfruit still warm. Them have roast them out there, so.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna get one of them buckle there.
What's on that bucket of coconut water? $15? You know what woman come by one family state. I think $15. They after I was worried. You see how long time you don't come? But we are left with your 20. And after we not here buy the coconut. Yeah. So the guy they not selling the coconut here. You know? We put your 20. They really slow on me to keep my bag. Hey man, maybe put too much coconut in it. So how much you put it on now? I think it's here. Just take out the shea. The fridge of it closed completely. That's what I'm doing for it. So that means what? $15 back? Eh?
That's all one. I'm trying to get the color look, but then I put them more here.
Are there coconut water?
No.
We have some coconut with tree refull. Yeah? Sometimes we get some coconut tree refull. So guys, when you come to Vice Farm, once you come this way, you order your food. You have a nice little area. Where you can eat when you order your food. Like this morning, this is what them have for breakfast. This is the menu. So, see them have all for beverage over there in the fridge. But it's definitely a liquor vibes, you know? If you're living at the Boynton Beach area or in Florida in general, you need to come check it out. Everything fresh straight off of the farm. If you want callaloo, you see them over there in the pot. Them might grow them corn and every little thing. And if you come on the outside, right, so when you buy your food, right, that's how you eat in another little area. You also have some vendor over there, so I sell them thing. And everybody there on them hustling. And we are over there, so on that side, have like a little farmer's market. Them even have roast breadfruit. you come and you can buy the one them with a roast or you can get the one them with roast. But it's a little vibes, man. And then look from this time I can start play some music. So if you're in Florida or Boynton Beach area, you definitely need to come check it out. There's a whole little vibes on a Saturday morning. You can come get your breakfast. You can just come hang out, have a drink. Over there, so them have a beer skillion over there, so. But it's a nice little settings and a little hotel over here, so. Where them sell them coconut, cane and all of them something there. Right over there, so. Zaya and Rochelle over there, so. But Zaya get beer problem. Rochelle can't manage her. I have some little seating area right over here, so. Like them just recently put them in. So if you want to hang out in the shade, definitely check it out.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're just leaving Vibes Farm. We get a coconut water and we get a roast breadfruit. I mean, they have on a callaloo. Yeah.
Yeah, fried when I go?
Yeah, fried. I mean, them have no callaloo, so.
Them have callaloo, but them just don't put it on.
Because we come early, so them not put even the breakfast not ready yet.
Still I get everything.
Yeah.
But we come early because we don't want the music, because them normally play music at a certain time, so we try to come early for beat.
Because we have met the video.
For editing
yeah.
And all them something there, so that's why we come early. But it's a nice little chill spot, man. If you want to come hang out, a nice little spot to come on Saturday.
And the people are friendly. Yeah. People are friendly and nice. So you have in the morning them have breakfast, them serve lunch, and in the evening then serve the jerk chicken. I guess you can get the jerk chicken and then something for this something. So them I cut the callaloo. Let me see if I can turn around the car. Let me see it. Them just I cut the callaloo them from out of the for the farm. So that is how the things are here. Farm to table. Because even the stuff them ungo like the chicken and the salt mackerel and the stuff them when they cook for breakfast, them they're not on the farm, but all of the vegetable and scallion and thyme, everything else are from the farm. And that's how I would like. I'm parking GY, I got wait just so.
When you're ready to leave,
you can't leave, yeah. So we just go head to Aldi now and get some stuff and go home and start prepare them, because last week may look about the stuff them from I went Saturday night and it was such
I think it was from Saturday, so Sunday we'd have a chill day.
Yeah, it was chill day. So it was so easy and me never feel overwhelmed. Sunday was just chill, so we could have go Walmart and buy something for my carrot juice for Xavier bring her work. So it worked out. So I like the vibe there. So more go early, get the stuff them, go home and cook them, or cook most of them, so that's tomorrow I don't have much to do. Just stay tuned for the video. Perfect time, look like Xavier lock off my mic. Oh, it's on. Perfect time to come to Aldi. It is empty. Alright, so may I get some blueberries? And some strawberries. May I get the strawberries, them organic? Where are the organic ones? I think them out there, so. Blackberry. Need some blueberries. These are the jumbo ones. Let me just get this one. And I need to get some strawberries and raspberries. Whoa, that's spoiled. Hi guys, we just reached home and pack out everything. I'm gonna show you all of everything that I got. I got some, let me see if you can see. Alright, so I got some ripe banana, I got some green plantain, and them here bigger than the ones at Walmart. I got some tuna, poppy, teriyaki sauce, green beans, apple cider vinegar, jasmine rice, coffee creamer, green tea, onion, sweet pepper, applesauce, juice. And if you shop at Aldi, you need to start by them juice here. Freeze-dried strawberry fazaya, sweet potato chips, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, ketchup, honey, 6 bags of quinoa, because since Xavier don't eat rice, so them here eat now. Aldi don't have them in a big package, just these small package. Sweet potato, celery, salmon, chicken breast, paper towel, detergent, and tissue. And I also got some pouch for Zaya. Everything, all these pouch. These pouches are a good way to make sure Zaya get our vegetables, because sometimes you get the vegetable on the plate, you don't eat it. So buying these really help. This one has mango, apple, banana, avocado, and kale. And sometimes she wake up in the morning, she want one of the pouch. So this is everything that I bought, and it comes up to $184. Everything. I completely forgot that I got eggs. Peel our breadfruit here. Wait, I need a piece of paper towel. $15 for this stick of breadfruit, I know. $15. All right, mega fright.